Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play good solo on guitar. To start, let's dive into the core principles. A great solo isn't just about fast notes, it's about musicality and expression. We'll explore how to build a solid foundation, focusing on rhythm and listening skills. Think of your guitar as a voice, telling a story with every note. We'll cover essential steps to help you craft solos that truly resonate with your audience, making your playing more impactful and memorable. Next, let's talk about the building blocks: scales, chords, and arpeggios. The minor pentatonic scale is a fantastic starting point, offering 5 versatile notes. Once comfortable, explore the major scale and its modes to expand your melodic vocabulary. Understanding how these scales fit over chord progressions is key to crafting solos that sound intentional and musical. Practice arpeggios to highlight the underlying harmony, adding a sophisticated touch to your improvisations. This foundational knowledge will unlock countless melodic possibilities. Now, let's infuse your solos with emotion through various techniques. Bends and vibrato are essential for making notes sing, adding a human quality to your playing. Experiment with hammer-ons and pull-offs to create smooth, fluid lines. Dynamic control, from soft whispers to powerful roars, will make your solos much more engaging. Think of your solo as a conversation. Each phrase should have a clear statement and a natural conclusion, just like a singer's melody. This makes your playing truly expressive. Finally, consistent practice and active listening are paramount. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to practicing with backing tracks, focusing on different styles. Recording yourself is invaluable. It allows you to objectively hear your progress and pinpoint areas needing refinement. Don't be afraid to experiment and develop your unique voice on the instrument. Listen to a wide range of guitarists, from blues to jazz, to absorb new ideas and expand your creative horizons. Keep exploring, and your solos will flourish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.